Hello friends, thank you for watching all my previous video. Today we are going to show you the unboxing of Kemei. The model is KM-590A. It's 7-in-1 electrical shaver. In this, today I will show you all the products, what they provide in the box, all the accessories and the capacity of the machine, the shaver. Everything I will show you in this video. Let's go and watch all the accessories and all the function of this product. As you can see, we have opened this box. In this box we can see there are plastic covers which are protected from both the sides to protect all the accessories. And you can see here, this is the second box. In this they provide the stand and charger. This charger is electrical charger, and you can see this is the stand. These are all the accessories. One by one I will show you. As you know, this is the electrical charger. Charging time for this trimmer is 1.5 hours and it works up to 45 minutes without charging. Once you charge, it works for 45 minutes. As you can see, this is the charger. In this we get this machine which is light in weight, and we have one on-off switch, and when we charge there is one indicator which indicates the red light over here, and we can connect the blade easily in this one. This is one lock which is in the unit, and this is the another lock. We have to put this lock both together, then we have to just press it. It's easy to fix, and we get one beard comb, one brush to clean all the unwanted particles which get stuck in the blade in the trimmer, and we get blade trimmer oil. As you can see, the quantity what they provide is too less. It's not full, it's half. This one we can apply in the blade for the lubricant and even in the lock pad. And you can see this is one size of hair clipper comb. They provide us 3 type of hair clipper comb with the length mm or 6 to 12 mm. You can see these 3. One, this is the second one, and this is the third one which is attached to the second blade. They provide us 2 blades. This is the one which is already fixed in the unit, and this is the another one. And in this we get nose trimmer as well as ear trimmer. It's better to use the trimmer for the nose and for the ear hair which are unwanted hairs. And this is the facial hair and body grooming trimmer. Instead of doing waxing and all, this trimmer is very useful. In over and all, this product is good to use and is light in weight. Thank you for watching my video.